The first time I can remember getting on a flight was when I was a child. As soon as it took off, you could see a perspective that you didn't see before. I was thrilled in the sense that I would get to see my cousins and a lot of my relatives, spend time with my grandmother. We are an archipelago made up of 7,000 plus islands, and it's actually quite difficult for people to travel around.
Before working for Cebu Pacific, I wasn't really an avid traveler. It's opened so many possibilities. The best and most efficient way to travel within the country is really by air.
For a developing economy like the Philippines, pricing is so important, and we're cognizant of that. I would say the A330neo is exceptionally versatile, right? Because of its size and its possible range. We are able to service the long-haul market. We fly into Dubai, we fly into Sydney and Melbourne, where we see there are large Philippine population. Instead of us using one slot to maybe carry up to 236, 240 passengers, we're able to do up to 459 passengers. A330neo in particular delivers double-digit fuel savings for us. Clearly coming off from the older models, the A330neo is certainly more fuel efficient, and that drives lower cost per seat. And we do think we have the lowest cost per seat with the A330neos.
Cebu Pacific will be the Filipinos' first air travel experience. So there is that added responsibility to ensure that as we onboard new flyers, that we do it in a way that considers their starting point. If a passenger sees that you've gone the extra mile, they come in and feel that the journey and the whole experience starts when you walk into the aircraft. We are very intentional when it comes to putting together the cabin design. We've maximized the feature on the Airbus welcome panel. The inspiration there was to take the colors of the beautiful beaches. There is also the patterns on the seats, which is very Filipino with the weaves. There are these little elements. One of the things that we're very happy about is our extra large overhead bins. People like to bring their pasalubongs provision that considers customer behavior. You watch your movies on your devices. So we have in-seat power for both USB-A, USB-C.
Throughout our fleet, this democratization of air travel was quite beneficial, obviously for Cebu Pacific, but more importantly for the country as we enabled more linkages, removed the perception that air travel is only for the rich. It's really for everyone.
Our purpose as a low-cost carrier has always been to provide safe, affordable, reliable air transport services. To be a part of that is really a privilege.